Hoofgraad 8 is less 53, it's less than 53. So we are working with the word problems. Kom ons kyk hoe goed het jy gedoen met die woordprobleme. The word problem first one says that if you're buying a car at 185,000, he wants to get 20% as a deposit so that he doesn't have to pay so much per month. So hy wil 'n 20% deposit toegee sodat hy nie elke maand so baie geld hoef te betaal nie. So die vraag is, hoeveel deposit moet hy betaal? How much is his deposit? So the deposit is 20%. So you must know that 20% is 20 out of 100 times with the 185,000, which I then have to go do with my calculator. So it's 20%. That gives me 185,000. Sorry if I wrote it wrong. It's 37,000 rand. Klinkt dit reg? 20%? 20% of the total he must pay as a deposit, which is quite a lot of money, but it's an expensive car. So 20%, there's your 1 mark for writing 20% is 20 over 100. 20 op 100 is die persentasie van daai bedrag. Dit is jou deposit toe. Nou die vraag hier, dit nie gevra nie, but if the question says, how much money does he still owe, that means it's that amount subtracted from that, and you get the amount that he still has to pay off. Wat hy nog moet afbetaal oor die volgende paar maande dan. Goed, nou by vraag 7 het hulle gesê, daar is 15375 werke, daar's werksgeleenthede of werke, jobs. That must be decreased with 12%. We all know the situation in South Africa at the moment. Job decreasing, people being laid off, this is terrible. They say 12% decrease. Whatever it is, if it's jobs or money, or people, or cars, or whatever, that must be decreased. You've got to work out 12%, so it was 12 op 100 van daai 15375, which gave me 1,845. That is the decrease. Dis waarmee dit moet afneem. So how many jobs are left? Hoeveel werke is oor? Dis die oorspronklike minus hierdie 1845. That gives me 13,000 that's left of the 15,000 and something. Die vraag nommer 8 het gevra, daar's 'n kar of 'n ding wat ek dink dit was 'n kar, let me just check it was a car. The price of a new motor car in January was that, and in February it's higher. They want to know what is the percentage increase in these 2 months. Wat moet jy onmiddellik aan gaan kyk, soos gister se voorbeeld? Dit is die persentasie verandering. The percentage change, in this case the change is an increase. Percentage increase of die verhoging. It doesn't matter if you say just change. It is still the change over the original. Dis nog steeds die verandering oor die oorspronklike wat jy moet maal met 100%, which immediately says, what is the difference that I'm never going to get out of my head? You've got to subtract 278,499 minus 256,799. That gives me 21700. For 21,000 rand, this car increased in 1 month. And this is reality TV show here. So the increase there, the actual change was 21,000 over the original. What was original? In January was original, it changed into. So that was 256,799 times with 100. So you must divide this amount by that and time it with 100. Times with 100 gives me, oopsie, now I'm sure I did something wrong here, 21700 divided by 256,799 times with 100 gives me, that's better. I had something like 100 and something, I don't know what I pressed there. 8,450,188, but they said 2 decimals. Listen to the question, always read your question. So if you round off to 2 decimals, the 0 is going to change nothing. It's going to stay 4, 5%. 8,45%. Dis waarmee daai prys opgegaan het. That's the percentage change, the percentage increase in this case. Okay, the last question that you had for homework is again a percentage decrease. So first of all, the change, eers die verandering op die oorspronklike times with 100%. So there was an original price for a house and he then accepted less. So the difference between those two was 114,000 rand over originally 1,456,000 times 100. So as dit gaan uitkanselleer, dan gaan ons net 114 op gedeel deur 1456 wees wat vir my gaan gee 0,07829 what, and we're rounding off to 2 decimals, which would be 0.8%. So he took an 8% decrease. Oopsie, I didn't time it by. Yeah, I didn't time it by, so times with 100 gives me then 8%. Yes, it is an 8%. Sorry, I should have still had the times 100 there, or then immediately I can just write 8%. Okay, so that should be 7,8296%, meaning it's 7,83%. That should be your percentage decrease. Then we are starting with decimal fractions, and the decimal fractions, I'm just going to give you this homework because you do it all with your calculator. Topic 14 we're going to do like in 2 days. Just do exercise 14.1, 14.2, 14.3, 14.4, 14.5, a few of them in each exercise for homework. Just calculator.